Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, welcome to Retro Friday. Yes, we're going way back. This is an old watch face, right? But yet a nice looking watch face. Now, I don't know if this one is still free for the taking in the Good Manager store. Go ahead, check it out. If it is, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know so I can inform other people who may love or like this watch face, right? Now, the name of it is called DSS Candlelight. I thought it was a slick look when it first came out. Definitely, I downloaded it. It was free at the time. Now, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get that 17 in the back. That's going to represent your 24-hour time. For those of you all who like 24 hours, you're going to get, of course, 12-hour time. Now, this is the first of its kind that I've seen where you got a blend of 12 and 24 in the same space, like this. Now you're going to get the candle. The candle looks nice. Before you're going to get your date, you're going to get the day of the week, and you're going to also get your battery percentage. You're going to get your step status info, calories burned, miles walked or ran, and again, your digital time. Now you got a nice, smooth, floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch down at the bottom, which I thought was a good look. And it is interactive, people. Let's check this out. So if I double tap right here, I can go into my calendar. And if I double tap on the logo, I can go into my music. So if I'm on my run, I'm all good. And double tap right here, this will take me into my step status. And if I double tap right here, I can go into, of course, my text messages. So I thought this was a real good look for a possible free watch face, guys. Make sure you go download this one if it's free. But listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Somebody let me know, do they remember this one when it first came out? All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.